Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a probability question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So we've got, if you throw two dice at the same time, the probability that a 6 will be shown on one of the dice is 10 out of 36, and the probability that a 6 will be shown on both the dice is 1 over 36. What is the probability that a 6 will not be shown on either of the dice when you throw two dice at the same time? Now let's think of all the ways that a dice can show a 6. So we can either have the one dice showing us a 6, which is typically, man, that is terrible. Okay, the dots here, dot there, dot there, dot there. Okay, so one of the dice and then the other dice has some random number. We can have that in reverse, where the one dice has a random number and we've got the 6 that shows up. And then the final event that we have is where we've got both die having 6 show up. Okay, so probably the worst die drawings you've ever seen in your life, but that's okay, as long as you understand what I mean. Now they've said to us the probability of this showing up is 10 over 36, and they've said to us the probability of this showing up is 1 over 36. Now what is the probability of a dice never showing up? Well, it would be all of the other options. Okay, so the rest, if you've got what is anything that shows up, that's going to be 100% or 1. And the probability of a dice showing up is going to be the sum of these two. So the probability of a dice definitely not showing up is going to be represented as this. So the probability of not getting a 6 is going to equal 1 minus 10 over 36 minus 1 over 36. And that's going to give us 1 minus 11 over 36, which is going to give us a total result of 25 over 36. And that gives us the final answer. Nicely done. Thank you so much to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the video that answers your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.